Alright guys, so I have a very special video today. I'm filming on a very special day to me. I'm filming on my birthday. Today's my birthday, February 18th, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this video today on my birthday, which I kind of do, or I'm gonna upload it tomorrow or on Saturday. But I purchased myself as my birthday gift a Hoya that I've been looking for and searching for a very long time, and I found it. And it's here. It arrived. I got this from MERCARI, and I just went on MERCARI and searched the word Hoya or rare Hoya, and I took about 5 minutes just scrolling down the different images, and I found this. When I tell you guys that I saw this and I purchased it, here it is. So I took the plunge. And it's my birthday gift. Oh my god, I am very happy with this Hoya. Let me scoop back like I've been doing lately. Alright, so here it is. Here's the Hoya, and I got my handy dandy scissors. Pause the video right now. Pause the video and comment down below which Hoya do you think this is. Some of you guys know on Instagram, because I talked to some of you guys and you guys already know which Hoya it is. But pause the video right now and comment down below which Hoya do you think it is. So, you guys know that I'm very into the Hoya flowers, also the foliage, but I'm also very into the Hoya flowers. Every time I honestly struggle with the unboxing of the Hoyas. So every time I buy a Hoya, I always do my little research and see how the flower looks and if it's a easy or a hard Hoya to flower. This Hoya requires lots of humidity. A lot of humidity, and it grows not massive flowers, but it grows 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch size flowers, pink flowers. Oh my god, my heart is beating. I saw the picture of how the Hoya look, but oh my god, look at this. I'm so excited right now. So this is the packaging, a very nice packaging. I quite like it when they wrap the Hoyas up in bubble wrap, and I'm noticing a trend now that they're sending Hoyas wrapped up in like this type of like cardboard, which I'm really happy. I'll leave in the description box the MERCARI seller, so that if you guys want to take a look, you guys can definitely go ahead and do so. So the seller is located here in California, and I'm in California, and I know that right now the whole United States is like freezing, and except for Florida, us, Arizona, a little bit of Nevada, and it's sad, but I mean, that's how global warming is affecting us. How is global warming affecting you guys, especially with your plants? I'm a little bit blessed to be here in South California, where we don't really get freezing temperatures. We're just getting a lot of wind. So yeah, anyways guys, I really like this packaging. It reminds me of the movie The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. If you guys have watched that movie, it's a very beautiful movie. Kind of sad, but it kind of reminds me of the Boy in the Striped Pajamas. You can see, and it also has a sticker that says "Thank you for your purchase," which I kind of appreciate that. But anyways, god, here it is. Now I believe this Hoya was already rooted. This Hoya, let me take out the scissors of my hand. Wow. So this Hoya was already rooted, and oh my god, I'm just so happy. I'm trying to not buy plants, especially right now where I know that most of California and, well, most of the United States is freezing. And I try to avoid ordering plants from overseas or from other states. I only buy Hoyas from nearby states. Especially now that the ice and the freezing temperature is just like flooding all of the states. So anyways, so this Hoya is Hoya patella. I took a while to say that. This is Hoya patella, guys, and based on the pictures, it was already rooted in sphagnum moss, which I don't mind. Okay, guys, so here it is. Look at this. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hoya patella. Oh my god. It's a very dainty little Hoya, guys, but isn't it just adorable and nice? Oh gosh, I'm so happy to have this, and I'm gonna put this up in my humidity box because I know that, like I said, they love lots of humidity. And I was watching Doug Chamberlain's video. He said that this Hoya loves humidity.
Now I have a theory about this. I think that this plant, the prevailing theory is that this plant can only do well if it's extremely warm and humid. My theory is that the humidity has more to do with this plant doing well than the actual heat. When I grow this plant in my plant room, it will occasionally flower, but not very often, and the flowers are very light colored. This beautiful deep pink blossom right here was produced in the greenhouse with nights going down into the mid-50s. It's extremely humid in there, so I believe that the humidity more than anything else will make this plant grow well.
He struggled rooting this Hoya because he wasn't providing enough humidity. However, that's not an issue for me. I can provide this Hoya with as much humidity as it wants. And so that's what I'm going to give this Hoya. Humidity overlord. So yeah, let me get rid of this tape right here because yeah. Oh yes, such a nice little Hoya. So see right there, guys, so nice and cute. So what I like about this Hoya, guys, and why it was on my wish list for about 2 years is because of the flowers. I'll insert clips of the flowers so you guys can take a look. But the flowers in this Hoya patella is, they're so nice, and it seems to be like a fast grower. Now that I have it in my possession and I'm touching the leaves are a little bit thin. They're not so thick. It feels sort of like the consistency. Don't mind the dogs in the back. Like I said, guys, I have a ton of dogs and they love barking because that's what dogs do. But back to the Hoya. Hoyas love humidity, right? To root, to grow peduncles, and to grow tendrils and leaves. This Hoya feels the texture of the leaves. If I could make a comparison, if you have Hoya multiflora feels like not a Hoya, but it is a Hoya. This kind of feels like it. It's a very thick, kind of like a Hoya imperialis. The leaves are very thin. See right there, guys? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try not to edit this video as much. The leaves are very thick and robust and chunky. They do have very beautiful veining. I'll do a split screen so you guys can definitely take a look at that. But oh god, I'm gonna, it's in soil. I mean, it's in a sphagnum moss, as you guys can see right there. It's in sphagnum moss. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it in a little bit of coconut husks and a little bit of my regular Fox Farms soil in a small pot, and I'm gonna plop it in my humidity box, and I'll leave it in there for about a week. Uncover the box every 2 days and see the process of all of my Hoyas. All of the Hoyas that I've put in my humidity boxes, well, one of them is already gone. It's no longer there no more. You guys know why I did a video on my Hoyas with pests. So I only have one over here on the side. Let me turn on the light. All right, so I already turned on the light. It's right here in front of me. So all the Hoyas that I put in my humidity box, my first initial humidity box, I have a video on that. If you guys want an update on how my plants are doing and you guys want to take a look at how they're doing, you can follow me on Instagram because I do lots of updates on my Instagram. I stay really active on Instagram, especially on my stories. So you might want to follow me on Instagram if you're interested. You don't have to, but if you want to, hey. But anyways, like I was saying, all of the plants that I have in that grow box, not just Hoyas, even anthuriums, they're doing great. They're all growing leaves left and right. However, something that I do notice though, well, I'm gonna leave that for when I do an update on my humidity box. But anyways, I'm very happy to have this. It actually has a little bit of like some area roots trying to grow. I don't know if you guys can see right there on the side, right here. Let me do a close-up. See right here, it has a little bit of like area roots trying to form, and that tells me that it might be a very easy Hoya to root. Anyways, I have a very special place on my heart for this Hoya because it arrived on my birthday. It was set to arrive tomorrow, Friday, on the 19th, but it arrived today, and I'm really happy. This is gonna be like my birthday Hoya, my little twinsy. And I am really happy. I am very happy to share my birthday with one of my all-time favorite Hoyas. And if you guys like this Hoya, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a comment down below. I also want to appreciate everyone that keeps subscribing to my channel and leaves positive, you know, contributes by commenting on my channel. Know that this is not just my channel, this is everyone's channel, and I do take responsibility with the things that I show, the things that I say. And I also appreciate everyone sending me comments, either being positive or even negative, with a positive criticism. So I do want to say that I'm very thankful to have you guys watch me and enjoy my content, and always, you know, being there for me, because it really motivates me to keep making more videos. And so yeah, I just have nothing but really great things to tell you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting, subscribing, sharing my videos, my content with your friends. And just know that I'm here because you guys give me the reason and the motivation to keep making videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And kapung karigato kusamasta. Don't forget to drink water and water your plants. Bye. Thank you.